Hey traders, welcome to a new video. This time I'll give you a trade review, a possible trade that you could have had last week on gold. So I got the 15-minute chart in front of me with the market profile on there, the delta and the volume. And I've marked up already a few key levels, as you can see through the week. And I want to show you especially the reaction on the key level from the 6th of September. On the Friday, I marked up the POC and we had a reaction last week, 10th of September. I'm going to show you why this was a very good trade to take. So as you can see, it's reacting on the level and we only enter from the 5-minute time frame. So let's zoom in on the 5-minute. Let's do that first on the chart. And let's open up the footprint as well. That's the exact time was around 4. There you go. So what we see is that price is moving towards the key level. That's what we want to see. We want to see that push from the last buyers who are really moving towards that key level. As you can see, that volume is going from 900 to 2K. So we're already like having that volume increase that we want to see. We're having also green delta, 231. And then the next candle, as you can see, volume is still like really high, like 2900. And the delta is red. As I've mentioned on our checklist, we want to see volume increase, delta shift, all the action happening on the key level, and we want to have our stacked imbalances. So for now, we're already having the touch on the key level, we're having the volume increase, and we're having the delta shift as well. But stacked imbalances are not there yet, so I wouldn't enter yet. I want to see those stacked imbalances. And that's happening here on the candle 405. I see 012, 018. And as mentioned, I want to see stacked imbalances higher than 14. So we want to see at least a 015 or a 15.0, which we have right there. So after candle close, which is this candle, I would have entered on this trade, putting my stop loss. What I'm doing on gold is like 30 pips stop loss. That's safe. I know how gold moves. I know gold wants to wig you out of the trade. It's not gonna happen. I know how gold is. So I would have entered here, having a stop loss of 30 pips, and then riding this trade for like 50, 60 pips. That is safe for me. That would mean like I'm having here a 2-hour trade. So what you see is I'm entering after this candle close. Price is still making some sort of a consolidation on this key level. It's fine. I already entered because I see the items that I want to see on the checklist. See, delta is still red, slightly green, and then boom, it's going red and price falls down. So even if you are in a trade, I want to give you that information a bit extra because I know in a trade you could get a little bit emotional. So we're definitely going to focus a bit more on the next videos, how to avoid to have too much emotions during your trades. But it's important that you really follow the checklist of when to enter. So again, we want to have that touch on the key level. We want to have the volume increase, the delta shift, and your stacked imbalances. And then you enter on the trade. You put the SL, you put the TP, and set and forget. That's all we want. So there could have been like a really nice 2-hour trade that you could have taken on gold last week. Hope this information was clear and simple. And if you got any more questions, follow us in our Discord server and you can ask anything you want to know. Enjoy your weekend. Bye guys.